Hey guys, so this is quickly a video in regards to lenses problem. Running into the same issue. I actually did it a while back and came up with a solution. I bought my manual tire changer through Harbor Freight 2 years ago, and so one of the problems I ran into was whenever I tried to break the bead breaker part was actually bending, same as lenses. Chucky 2009. And so what I've done actually is I took it apart and braced it with cross braces. And so you can see here, there's one cross brace, and down below is another one, and in between, which I did first was actually just a screw with a couple nuts through it. But actually the braces are the ones which holding it now up, and I'm using mine a lot on mobile home tires and bigger truck tires, like what I have on my Ford truck, which is right now hidden behind the mirror. Let me just take it apart. This is actually a 37-inch tire, which I got the bead broken with a couple times already and put new ones on. So that's that. Hope this helps quickly, guys. Again, this is for the manual tire changer, how to fix actually the bead breaker proper. As you can see, I've worked this one for quite a good amount, so it got bent a couple times and have to weld it a little bit better up on the bottom part, but overall it's holding up very well. So just make sure that you're using the pinpoints correctly when you're breaking your bead and getting the right leverage on the rim. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.